In this video, let's take a look at the way that you fix the Telegram cannot send messages. Now, if you're trying to send messages to other people within the platform of Telegram, and if you're having issues, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to check is your internet connection, if your Wi-Fi or your cellular data is working or not. Or what you can also try out is to try to switch your network. So for example, if you're currently using your Wi-Fi network, try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. Also, the person that you're trying to message may also have blocked you or may also not be online. So if you only see a single check, that simply means that the other person is not online right now. And in some cases, if the other person has blocked you as well, you would not be able to send in the message. So make sure you check that first of all. And if these are not the cases with you, the other thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. So just hop out of the Telegram app, tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, try to remove the Telegram app from the recent app list and try to see if now the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the application of Telegram onto your device. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.